Dr. Allan, there's evidence that one of the factors of disease emergence is increased human-to-wildlife contact or wildlife-to-domestic animal and livestock contact due to habitat loss. What trophic levels should conservationists focus on to determine the size of protected areas?
Well, almost independent of the question of how infectious diseases are tied up in this, there's pretty good evidence that we need to protect larger areas for conservation purposes. The reason being that many of the higher trophic levels, organisms like predators, or just some of the largest mammals, think of an herbivore like elephants, require really large home range sizes. These are organisms that require a lot of space for finding food, finding water, interacting with other members of their species. And so because of this, we know and we've known for some time that larger protected areas tend to be beneficial from a conservation perspective. Bringing in the infectious disease angle, we also now see convincing evidence that predators are one of the organisms that play a key role in regulating the prevalence of infectious diseases by regulating the populations of their prey organisms. And so again, this would suggest that larger protected areas, or better connected protected areas, by which I mean having kinds of habitat corridors between protected areas, are really going to be essential for maintaining diversity and abundance of these higher trophic level organisms, or these organisms with larger home range sizes, which may play a really important role in the regulation of infectious diseases in the environment.
What does this suggest about the future impacts of habitat fragmentation on disease emergence?
Well, I would say the future is now. So what we're already seeing is that habitat fragmentation and loss of biological diversity is causing an increase in the emergence of infectious diseases. We're getting more new infectious agents, increasing ranges of infectious agents, rapid evolution of infectious agents as they're introduced into new areas and become exposed to new hosts. And so we're already seeing that these human changes to the environment are increasing the assaults on our health. And I expect that pattern to continue as increasing human development continues to infringe on natural areas.
Thank you very much.